Act 1. Hook. Gravity pulls things down, always. That is the rule. But this cone did not get the memo. Watch, it is rolling uphill, on its own, with no push. Is gravity broken? No, something far more interesting is happening. Act 2. The science journey. Here is the secret. Look carefully at the rails. They are not parallel. They spread wider apart as they go up. As the double cone rolls forward, the rails spread, and the cone sinks lower between them. Even though it looks like it is going up the ramp, the center of gravity of the cone is actually going down. And objects in nature always move to lower their center of gravity. The cone is not going uphill. It is finding a lower position. It just looks uphill because of the shape of the rails. Your eyes see the cone moving up. Physics sees the weight moving down. Physics is right. Your eyes are being tricked. Act 3. Takeaway. This experiment has a beautiful message. Things are not always what they appear to be. The cone seems to defy gravity, but it is actually obeying gravity perfectly. Gravity always wins, every time, without exception. The trick is understanding what gravity is actually acting on, not just where the object appears to go. That is the science of seeing clearly. Closing call to action. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 749898992. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.